What's up, everybody? Welcome to the LsBluu YouTube channel. Today's video, we have a little DIY project going on. We are homemaking some exhaust, some race exhaust. These are some BlackWidow Widowmakers, 3-inch. They are straight through with some baffles on the side, as you can tell by the welds. Don't pay no attention to my welds. I cannot weld. These are, I'm running 2 of them. We're doing true doors straight off of the long tubes, straight back. And these should make it a little bit quieter than the open headers, especially driving, and it should sound absolutely awesome. If you want to get some of these mufflers, go to s10life.org. I'll leave a link in the description. Use code LsBluu to help me out and to help you out when you order some good old BlackWidow mufflers. Let's get over to the shop and get these pipes cut, get it all welded up with my not very good weld job. But first, let's do one more cold start with the straight open headers. Y'all do. I'll do a little unboxing real quick. Always cut away from you. And like I said, if you want your own BlackWidow exhaust, go to s10life.org and use code LsBluu when you place your order. These are Widowmakers, 10-inch Widowmakers. What the hell? Oh, cool. Banner, as you can see. Cool. What I was trying to show you. Straight through design with 2 little baffles in there. This is gonna be loud. A little bit louder than I was expecting, actually. Box 1. Might need to check the box before you toss it, because you do get some stickers. Cool beans. What am I doing? Straight through. A little heavy, but better than what I've got now. Alright, let's get this welded up and thrown on. So I have roughly 66 inches underneath the truck, give or take 2. And I bought an 8-foot section of pipe, and we're gonna measure how much pipe we can have, or how much room we have, and then how much I'm gonna need for a turn down. I talked with BlackWidow about how to set this up, and they recommended about 3 to 4 feet of exhaust before the muffler, and then about 15 inches of turn down. They also recommend an X or an H pipe. I'm not gonna do that. If I don't like the way it sounds, if it sounds like Bigfoot shitting in a tin trash can, then I'm gonna do that. But for now, we're just going straight true doors. Update. Have it exactly how I want it. Now we're gonna weld it up. Disclaimer, I guess it's hot in here. No, I am not a welder. Nobody taught me how to weld. I just put a helmet on and watched the other guys in the shop learn how to weld, and I just try to do my best. So I don't care what you say about my welding, as long as it gets the job done. It's all I care about. So ran into some difficulties with this welder. I'm not a welder. This welder is like 30 years old, and my helmet stopped working, so I couldn't see anything. Don't know how to set it. I'm out of gas. It's just junk, absolute junk. But we made it work. Now it's time to go home and put it on the truck and fire it up and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds good. Not bad. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. It's garbage. Measures 67 inches from here to the tip. That's all the room that I feel like I'm comfortable with having. So let's throw those on there. All right, so installed. Hangers did not turn out the way I wanted them. It's okay, we will redo that. Can't even really see them. Let's fire this puppy up. Sounds pretty damn good. A little bit louder than I was expecting, but that sounds really damn good. All right, so that's gonna wrap us up here. The exhaust is complete. I redid the hangers this morning while I was at work, and it is 100% done, and I'm very happy with it. The truck sounds absolutely incredible. It's just wicked, and I'm not gonna do the H pipe or the X pipe. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I can't wait to spray it and see what that sounds like. It's gonna be a freaking monster. If you want your own Black Widow muffler, go to s10life.org. Use the code LsBluu, LsBluu, not LsBlue. And also, if you've got a small block in your S10 and you're looking to do an exhaust like this, check out TPV Productions on YouTube. He's got a 400 small block in his S10, and it's just it's a monster. Going to record some more sound clips in the next couple days and make a little montage video of that so you can get a better idea of what it sounds like. But that's going to be all. Make sure you drop a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you.